Hello, thank you for choosing EasyWay USA scales. Please, follow this video of how to install a new label roll. 1. Let's take out the pickup spool rewinder. 2. Remove the old label roll. 3. Peel between 8 to 10 labels of the new roll. 4. Put the new roll on the roll holder place. 5. Install the paper through the gap guide parts. Make sure the paper goes inside of the little black sensor. 6. Place the paper between the paper guide shaft and around the triangle shaft. 7. Put the paper inside of the pickup spool rewinder and place it on the base rewinder. 8. Give it a couple of turns to make sure the paper is installed correctly. You are all set.